Hello everyone, this is Ikram Khan. I'm a software engineering graduate. I'm currently working as a software engineer at one of the leading companies in Pakistan. I'm making this video to show you how to learn JavaScript, and we will be learning JavaScript along the way. Because as far as I have looked onto the YouTube and many other online courses, and if you look at the university education, we somehow lack the difference between demand and the productivity gap. Universities are teaching something else and industry is demanding something else, so there won't be that much match which is required. So I have decided to make a series in which we will be learning a JavaScript, how to use the JavaScript, what is basically JavaScript, why do we need JavaScript, before JavaScript what we were using, what are the new frameworks of the JavaScript. We will starting with one of the basic things, how to load the JavaScript in the website, why do we need JavaScripts, and we have a sample example of a W3 Schools. This is basically shows online tutorials and documentation for many websites, but it is also composed of a JavaScript. If we look into the source of this one, let me show you the source. This is HTML and CSS, but it required JavaScript for the rendering of the content. For example, I'm going to click in there, I say run, click me, you can see the text change dynamically. We'll be learning these things, why do we need it, how do it affect the websites, and from how JavaScript started, what are the basic needs to learn the JavaScripts, and what are the new frameworks of the JavaScript. If we talk about the prerequisites of this series, you should having an idea about the basic programming knowledge, what is for loop, what is while loop, how do we put if conditions, why do we need this, how a code runs. If you want me to make a video of that one too, I will make a series for you of that one as well. You should know what is variable, what is memory allocation, these things. I will be teaching these things along the video as well. So if you want a series on this one, kindly like, share my video, and let us know what things you wanted to know regarding the JavaScript, so I can implement these things in my course. Thank you.